Good morning, everyone. Okay, I don't know how long this video will last because this phone, like, the memory is completely full. Just the phone is screaming for me, like, please empty some of my room, and I don't. So that can just go out. But I really want to record something when I'm like styling my hair and have my in the background. I'm just getting ready for work in the morning, and it's kind of hot. This heat wave hit planet like in a bad way. It's not only here in Egypt. I found out it's like all over the globe. Like we are in oven right now, and today is a little bit nicer than the past few days, but it's gonna be more hot from tomorrow, and that's not cool. That's not cool. We are like basically in the grill, just like in the grill, like we become like grilled human. So it's not only here, it's all around the globe because of the global warming, and I'm trying to survive in the heat because I'm not made to be in a hot weather. I'm not made for this. I love winter. I love the ice and the chilling. I love that. So, I just wanted to record something for you. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna talk about actually, but I really want to talk. So, just styling my hair. So, first of all, I'm using the Infinity Pro Conair. It's kind of old. I don't know if it's still, like, the Conair still could use this kind of curler, but this one, 1.5 inches. So, it's super big, super nice. At the first, it was hard to use this one. My sister used to have a Conair one. But it was kind of weird using it. Every time I use it, like, I feel like my hair doesn't stay in place where it should be. But then when I get used to it, it began to be more nice. And now it's my main curler. I love it because it curls my hair very nicely. And at the same time, it really helps my hair to be straight. So I don't overheat my hair, like with the hair straightener and then with the curler. Especially my hair is short. I'm trying to save it as much as I can, because I want to grow my hair again. I'm gonna change the color of this one, like, like soon enough, because my roots begin to come out, as you can see very nicely. And let me see here. This is the part that I want to curl. And at the same time, the color is nice, but I want to darken my hair a bit so it will be more even, and I will be allowed to use my extensions, because I need to make my hair like in the same color of my extension soon, because soon I'll have a big event and my hair will not be long enough for it, but I need to have a long hair. So I'm gonna darken my hair soon enough. So never mind how I look, it's really hot and I can't stand being like doing my hair. So what I do in the morning, I wake up and just like take a quick shower to wash my sweat and sleepiness away. And then I brush my teeth and everything, and then I make my coffee. I just finished it. I smell my pomodoro. Always ring when I'm recording. And then I do my hair if I like wash it yet the day before. So I washed it the day before. I made hair oil mask, and I let it like the whole day. So basically, I'm like waking up with you, basically. So it's kind of a chit chat thing, and the phone telling me it's extremely low storage now. Okay. No, it can cut off. Okay, I don't know. You know that feeling when you feel that you want to talk, but you don't have anything in your mind to talk about? That's what I feel right now. So that's why I'm recording this video. I want to talk with you guys, but I don't know which topic I'm gonna think about. Like, it doesn't have to be like very useful every time, right? But Yeah, this is one thing I discovered. I was watching a video for me, like moving your nose hair. I did it from 2 years ago, and I did like a small short to just take a small short from my old videos to revive it again. So it's like more, like have more views, you know that. So especially when you do that short from your old video, um, the YouTube take you from the short to the original video, which is amazing because that will really help to like retain viewers and gain new viewers from the short viewers. So it's nice. So that's what I'm gonna do. Like what I did this morning when I wake up, I just saw the most viewed video and just made short for it to make it like more viewable. Anyway, so when I did that, I just like I was watching part of the video to make the short, of course. So I discovered that my English was so slow. I was talking in a very slow pace, and like I wasn't that um confident talking in English back then. I didn't realize that back then from 2 years ago because I was recording and just editing was the same thing. I was watching all the time, and I love editing my videos, especially English video, because when I see it like edit it and cut the unnecessary parts and all this stuff, I can see myself talking. I see myself how to pronounce the words, my spelling, like all these stuff, my accent. Of course, I have an accent, but like I have many friends who live in the US and they said my English is very good. So that actually add more confidence the last couple of years. So when I saw myself talking English from 2 years ago, I was like, oh my God, I was talking so slow. It was weird. Like I wasn't confident from the camera talking English, which is like, or speaking English. It was weird. I thought back then it was pretty good, but now, as I'm speaking right with you right now, I'm more confident and like I practice my language more. And I'm self-taught, to be honest. I'm self-taught in English. I learn myself. Of course, I have the basics from the school, but I really hated English when I was growing up. It's just like all the teachers make me really hate language. I just don't want to talk with it. I don't want to listen to it. I don't want to like, I don't like it. And then I began to do it myself and begin to like listen to a lot of English music and English songs and watch a lot of American movies, and that's when I fell in love with English and begin to like improve the language. And on the last years, I can say like maybe like 10 years, maybe more, like from 10 to 12, 13 years, I was doing this all by my own. And when I watch my video right now, I can see, I can feel I'm talking and speaking in English more confidently. I'm feeling free, and now I can understand like a whole audiobook without like trying to search words. I understand every video, English video that I watch on YouTube. I love every morning. I love listening to motivational videos and like self-development and manifestation videos. I love listening to all these stuff every single morning because like repetition is the mother of a skill, they say, and this makes me like implement this thoughts and this beliefs in my subconscious mind, and that really helps me to improve myself every single day in subconscious level without like trying to force it, without like trying to like implement this with my conscious. Just like I listen to it, I leave it, and goes to the back, and just like it's become part of my subconscious mind. And I'm doing this from a couple of years now. It really improves everything and how I think and how I feel and how I respond and my reflexes to situations in my life completely different now. And I can feel it like so intense. I can feel that in the last year. Like completely different responses, completely different way of thinking, my beliefs and everything. I can feel that all of my work that I was doing last 5-7 years really actually what I said, the word is now I'm reaping what I saw. Like period. That's what I'm doing right now, and I'm so happy. And every day I feel like I'm more happy. So that's what I'm doing every single morning. But I wanted to talk with you about because I didn't talk with someone from a while, like really talking. So now I'm styling my hair to get ready. I don't know if I'm gonna show you like recording the makeup video or not. I don't know yet, but yeah. So never mind. Background. It's my wardrobe. It's just open it to see what I'm gonna wear, and have some stuff. Like out here is my purse. I have 2 purses inside. Like not purse. It's like a suitcase. This is suitcase numbers. And I have some stuff here, and this part is my chandelier. Anyway, I love my chandeliers anyway. So, yeah, 10 minutes, that's nice. So I'm gonna leave you now. Let's stop talking, but my advice, if you want any, listen to some motivational videos, something like every single day. And if you want to improve your English, listen to books, listen to movies, and read the subtitle, and focus on everything, and repeat the movie over and over and over and over again until you know the script and the words. That will really help to improve your English. If you want to listen to English songs and repeatedly listen to it, and if you can understand it, find the lyrics and read them and sing along with the song until you take the song into your heart and you can sing it along. By doing this without knowing, without forcing yourself to learn new vocabularies, to learn new words, you will find yourself know a lot of words you will never imagine, and you will understand them. Believe me, if you don't search for the meaning in your language, you will understand them. Do this over and over and over again, and your subconscious mind will do that learning for you without any effort. And believe me, by doing this over and over, when I looked at myself back in the days, when I listened to my old videos, I was like, oh my god, that's a complete difference. Now I can understand it kind of more flowing away. Of course, not perfect. I'm still learning. I'm gonna keep learning until I die. It's not flowing away, but you can understand me. You can follow me. I'm not so dull like back in the days. So like more alive. I can express myself more in English. I think in English. I write in English. Everything in my life is English because I chose this language to be my first language. My first language is Arabic, but it's not my language. I'm Egyptian. It's not my mother language. Our mother language, we're trying to revive it again. And I'm so proud of my civilization. I'm so proud of who I am. And I am Egyptian, and I'm so proud of my mother language. My phone will die, so I'm on my other phone. The voice will be a little bit different because this one doesn't record a video in a nice way like the other one, and of course the how I look made a difference. But anyway, I was saying, yeah, I'm Egyptian, and I'm proud of my own being, and Arabic is not my mother language. I don't choose it. I just like grew up talking with it, like speaking with it. So I chose English to be my first language. When I grew up, I began to learn English, began to love it, fall in love with it. And actually, English opens up a lot of possibilities for me, a lot of understandings, a lot of informations, like with the phone, with Google, with Wikipedia, with YouTube. You learn a lot when you know English because it's the first language on the planet. So you need to learn it because all the information that there is with English. All of it. So you need to know the language that you can understand everything you want. Don't like hold yourself in your own language, especially Arabic. It's not like I can find a lot of information with Arabic. I can find what I want with Arabic. It's really hard for me, and especially even the translation of some books. When I read a book and I see the translation of the same book, I'm just like, oh my god, the translation is so bad. I'm so blessed to know English so I can read the original language of this book, like the book in its original language, which is English. So it's really important to learn English. So if you want to or thinking about it, you need to do it. If you know just a little of English, do it, and you will never regret. And do what I said, like keep repeating, like all English on your back in the subconscious mind, movies, songs, like knowing by heart, and it will be completely different. It's not only for English, it's for any language. That's what I'm doing for English, and I can do it for French, German. German is really hard to learn. I would like honestly, I love French, so I can do it with French. I can do it with Spanish. You can do it any other language if you want, but I'm talking from my experience with English because I knew it from the school, like the basics and some stuff from the school, of course. So yeah, um, I will stop talking now. That's a lot. Just wanted to get. I hope you like my nails. I did it yesterday. I love it. So I'm gonna go now and finish my hair and do my makeup. Sorry, do my makeup. I just wanted to say good morning and like talk a little bit. I hope that video is not dull, and I hope you like it. And I'm gonna see you soon. And of course, I'm gonna go to work and record some fun video for you if you want to. Like the video I was working like had a lot of views, which is weird. So maybe I'll do one day because I have a load of work to do. So yeah, see you soon, guys. I love you so much, and be happy. And good morning, good evening if you are in like nighttime now. I love you so much, and wish you everything like amazing in this world. Bye.